you. What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to our channel. Today, we have some good news.
Yes, we do. Some great news today. But we want to apologize for not giving y'all content, videos. And we know we don't have to apologize, but we want to apologize because you all are our family, and we want to with this channel growing, and it's very engaging. We're trying to get we try to get to the point to where the negativity don't bother us anymore. But we took a break, and sometimes things be so harsh that kind of be like why?
Yeah.
Kind of be like why me? Why say this about me? But you know, at the end of the day, we gotta keep moving, keep moving forward. The comments gonna come in all the time, so it's nothing that we need to dwell on. Just delete them and keep it moving. All right.
Yes.
So,
and we have to keep moving for you guys.
yes,
You are our family. You are the
Yes.
ones that encourage us and keep us going and help us to remember why we even started this whole channel. We're doing this for our family and to make memories and just take adventures or just have fun in the van or wherever we do, and sharing our life and doing what we're doing with you guys. And like I said, you all just outweigh all of the negativity because you're our family. You're so supportive, and we just truly love and thank you guys. So
yeah,
that keeps us going.
that keeps us going. And the good news is we will be on our first adventure this month. This month we will be leaving for an adventure, and the time is finally here. And that's why these videos are like the countdown, because this month we're going to take our first trip, and next month it's a lot going on with our children. Children are homeschooled, and there's a lot of events going on with the children, and
It's almost the end of the school year.
Yes.
Graduation coming up. So
and our daughter's birthday.
yeah.
She always liked to go with her friends in other cities. So we got a lot to look forward to in this van.
Yes.
And the time is finally here.
Finally
What happened is kind of like I thought the van only needed a battery, like when I first started, ended up needing a fuel pump. So I say a fuel pump, crank up, okay, we ready. So I don't have a 2025 Sprinter van. We don't have a brand new van. If expansion come like down the line, if a bigger vehicle is in our future, we'll let that play out the way it play out. But right now we don't, the parts, like this happened, I fixed that happened, I fixed this happened. And we have videos to show y'all that it's a 1990, but when it's finished, it's gonna ride like a 2021. So with that being said, we actually miss making videos.
Yeah. We miss talking to you all.
Yeah, we miss talking to y'all.
Yeah.
But we're
like
back.
the engagement, everybody talking back,
Yeah.
like
The encouraging words.
Yeah.
But now we're back. We're here. My allergies are a whole lot better.
yes.
To deal with that, but they're a whole lot better. And how we started this bill as a simple bill, as products started to come in, it kind of changed the direction.
And what we mean by products is what people reached out.
Wish list.
Okay.
Well, Amazon wish list and people that reached out to us and sent us products as well.
Yes.
And that kind of changes from, well, okay, they sending something
that we want.
Yeah, something that we can use. So okay, let's kind of change the dynamics of the van bill. So still a budget bill.
Yeah.
But so everything's been changing and learning the electrical side, the 12-volt side. Like, it's been rough. It seems easy, but you want to like prevent a fire from breaking out or something like that. You want to be safe with it. So all right, so we're gonna get into some things that we've been working on these past few days, and let's hop right into it. All right, so this bad boy looks simple, but it's been wrecking my brain trying to find YouTube videos, and you have to look at the boat. You have to look at like the boat builders, and that's where you kind of see it. You don't see it from like the van lifers. It's a lot of complicated stuff, but fuse panel, circuit breaker, cutoff switch, and some switches. But I'm gonna mount this today, and we're gonna see if we can get some power. Smaller screws though. They don't fit either. Let's see something. I need to bring this side down so.
Where did it get wide?
All right, this is a test. This is the moment of truth. It's either gonna go or it's gonna blow. Might not be a good way to look at it, but we're about to see. We're about to see. All right. I got these posts backwards too. Yep. Oh my goodness. All right. I get a good connection that way. All right. Moment of truth. When I switch this knob on, this should light up. You know what? I need a fuse. Give me a second. Let me grab a fuse. All right. So I need a fuse to go here. We're gonna switch it on, and we're gonna see what happened together. All right, hold on. Protection was on, ignition protection was on. Now let me switch it on again. Did something pop? Did something blow? It did. Can you see it? Fuse blowed. Well, that works. Let me take this off until I can figure that out. All right, let me get the screw. Okay, so that fuse blowed. Let's try again. It's on. It's showing 12.5 volts on this regular battery. Okay, so I have a switch. Okay, y'all heard that? This is a water pump. So I'm also going to test out the water system that I'm installing as well. All right, I know it's overkill, but I had it laying around and I just used it. It's an RV tank that I had for a food truck build, but it's 14 gallons RV tank. I had it, and I think it's 14 gallons, I'm not sure. But it's, like I said, it could be overkill for what we're doing. But, so what I did was, I made this little pipe to go down in there. There's my pump, there's my filter, there's my drain. It's going out to the bottom. So I'm going to test this out right here. Let me get a light. Hold on, let me get a tripod to hold this up. All right, so y'all gonna let me know if any water is coming out when I turn the switch on. Hey, we have water. We have water. Why is this not draining? Switch this off. Oh, there you go. Look at that. All right, got more work to do, but I gotta see why this is not draining. All right, it's only a test run, but it's actually leaking right here, like it's backing up. All right, so I got water sitting still. I think I'm gonna make this drain a little bigger. I think I'm gonna make this water fill. Yeah, I'm gonna make this gray water tank pipe a little bigger. Oh, it could be just, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's probably bent. You know what? It might be bent right here. Let me check this. Okay, we got to figure that out. All right, so now I need to see if the light come on when I flip the switch. Okay. So we have lights. Okay, we have lights. That is the second switch. All right. That fuse that blowed was an inverter. So that fuse that, let me turn everything off. Turn everything off. All right, that fuse that blowed was an inverter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some changes, and we're gonna revisit everything. So I finally got the water system done, and I finally got the electrical system done. And like I said, the only thing that I wish I would have did was put the water pump switch to the back. So if I'm back here, I would have to go pretty much inside, turn the water pump on, then come around to the back. And you know, if it was the, you know, case of a shower or whatever, like I would have to go or get someone to turn the water pump on for me. And so that's the only thing that I didn't like was the water pump. I can change that, but I probably won't go through that to change it. But yeah, let me show you the water pump, the drain. Also put the latches on. And you know, yesterday it wouldn't drain, so I changed the pipe. I haven't hooked it to the gray water tank yet. I got this tube running down in there. Got the water pump connected. So we're gonna test it out. I haven't tested it out yet. I actually like these latches, they stick pretty good. Put up the blackout curtain. This is how it looks from right here. It's gonna have to be protected from those blankets, I figure. Cutoff switch, breaker, fire extinguisher on hand for sure. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. We have a lot of content that we're going to be putting out for you guys to see. As I mentioned though, we're excited. We're going on our first adventure, our first trip this month, like real soon. And we just decided to take y'all along with us. Yeah, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.